Hi, dear friends. This is James from Southern California. Today, I want to share two NET problems from ISEE Upper-level. Okay, see here, a net is showing which is a possible cube for the net. Okay, let's choose the choice A, B, C, D one by one. So for A, uh, if we call this is phase one, yeah. The arrow point to here, the triangle. So I suppose phase one should be here. All right, then we call this phase two. Phase two. How about let me choose to red color to make it more clear. Okay, then suppose this circle, we only have one circle here. So suppose this circle should at the rear side, instead of at the right side. So that's the reason it's wrong. So A is wrong. Then let's go to B. Triangle. Yeah. Yeah, if we call the triangle phase one, the circle is phase two. Phase two. Okay. Then, yeah, anyway, so we just watch from this direction, right? Then suppose this we call phase three. Phase three. Phase three must be this one. It should at the left side instead of like here right side. So it's wrong. Then let's keep going. Remove something here. Yeah, now let's go to choice C. For circle. Yeah, if we call this circle phase one, then this call it phase two. Then who should be the phase two? Should be this one, right? It's like this phase two move here, right? Anyway, so phase one, phase two. Then again, we just watch it from this direction, like this direction. Then again, if this is phase three, so suppose phase three is this one. It should at left side, right? Again, should be left side instead of right side. So this wrong. Then the correct answer definitely is D. Even so, we explain a little bit why D is reasonable. So you say this arrow will point to this one. Then we suppose this is the only thing happening here, right? So suppose if we call this is phase one, then phase one should be this, and then this is phase two. Phase two. Then this direction actually should, in the initial, should be this direction. So if you watch from top, then of course, this is at its like right side. Yeah, right side. If watch from top, then here is left, here is right. So that's the reason it's, that's why it's reasonable. Okay, that's the sharing for this problem. Now let's have one more from here. Okay, a cube is shown. Which figure is a possible net for the cube? So let's check from A. We notice there is a full circle, only one cos and one diamond. And there is a circle between cos and diamond. That means that there is no chance cos and diamond next to each other or contact each other. But in the initial, they can, right? They can next or contact each other. So A is wrong. B, as there is 4 causes, only one circle, one diamond. So again, let's say in the initial graph, circle and diamond can next to each other, but in this, there is no chance. So B is incorrect. Excuse me. Yeah. So let's jump to D. Why? Because D has 4 circles, only one diamond, one cos. Again, let's check. For diamond and cos, they cannot next to each other, but in the initial drawing, it can, right? So diamond, cos next to each other, so D is wrong. Then the only correct is C. Even so, let's check if C is reasonable. Again, there is only one cos, so let's start from here for cos. Okay, if we mark this as surface 1, yeah, surface 1 is like this, right? Then this is, let's say, we have 2 circles and 3 diamond, 1 cos. Anyway, so the cos we call surface 2. Surface 2. Then 1 circle to, let's say, this one. This is cos 2. This is, so let me check which one should be the, yeah, this should be the 3, right? Yeah, so anyway, C is reasonable. Is like here means is possible. Okay, that's all for sharing of these 2 problems. If any questions, any discussions, please leave a message or send an email to me. Thank you. You are